Oh, Farming Sam. They actually show a clip from Farming Sam, which the episode. Oh, look, Arnold. I didn't really do anything. And the episode is Spy Game from Series 10. Was not expecting that at all. If this was like Farming Sam right now, it would be 1v1. Farming Sam is popular in Spain. Roger that, Sam. And they're showing a bit of the emergency when they're saving James from the, I don't know why they showed a clip of Spy Games of all episodes, but it is quite cool. Sam saving the day. I think that's the end of it. Alright, so that was this helicopter kiddie ride, and the fact that they actually had Farming Sam clips in this is actually really surprising, so give this one a pass.